In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Canva project with a well-chosen filter. Filters can dramatically change the look and feel of your visuals, helping them better convey the tone and message you want. Whether you're working on a simple presentation or a more complex project, applying the right filter can make all the difference. Let's get started and walk through this process together. First things first, head over to your Canva document. If you haven't already opened it, now's the time to do so. Once you're in, you'll see all of your creative work laid out before you. Take a minute to survey what you've got and decide which picture you'll be working with today. Once you've chosen your picture, give it a click to select it. You should see a set of tools appear, offering up a world of editing possibilities. Among those options, look for the Edit button. Go ahead and click on Edit. This is your gateway to a bunch of creative options that can transform your picture. From there, navigate to Filters, which is where the magic really happens. At this point, you might be tempted to select the first filter you see, but hold on. It's worth noting that Canva has a broad array of filter options designed to cater to your distinct needs. To explore these, you'll need to click on See More. This will open up an entire menu of creative possibilities right in front of you. It's worth spending a moment here to look through all the options available. Take your time to scroll through these filters. From warm, cozy tones that give a photo a rustic feel, to cooler, more modern aesthetics, there are filters that can suit any mood you're attempting to project. As you explore, think about what you want your image to express and which filter best aligns with that vision. Once you've found a filter that resonates with your idea, go ahead and apply it to your picture. It's that simple. You should immediately see a transformation, one that enhances your image and ideally aligns better with the message you want to deliver. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully taken a few simple steps to elevate your project's visuals, giving them a more professional and polished look. Remember, the right filter can elevate your work and provide cohesion to your entire presentation or project. Don't be afraid to experiment with different filters in future projects to find new ways to express your unique vision. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're feeling more confident about using filters in Canva to take your designs to the next level. Feel free to explore more, and happy designing!